Okay, so you may all recognize this fan. This is a Emerson Premium. I believe 52 inches. Could be 50. This fan was originally over there, and its sibling was right there, which is up in my father's bedroom. This is the one that needed new bearings. It still has not received new bearings at all. I still have to get to that. But y'all have never actually seen an up close of this thing and just how filthy it is. On the bottom, it doesn't look as bad. Up till you get to the top. Yeah, not the best. There isn't much to say about this fan except that little nut right there for the pull chain switch is not original, along with this pull cord, all that fun stuff. I have it on a solid state speed control, but we're just gonna run it through its normal paces, so here we go. So there's low, nice and aesthetic. Medium. And high. It's a decent amount of air movement. Let's go straight to high. What the hell? Whatever. It like froze up for a second and made a weird noise. And then just for shiggles, we're gonna stop it and then run it on the solid state speed control. Come on. That's good enough. So that's a low setting. It's a medium sort of setting. There's a medium high. Whoops. And full tilt. On full tilt on the knob, it's actually very quiet. There is absolutely no motor hum. So yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace out.